Okay, Wachiraphong, you just passed your driving test today. Congratulations again. Can you just tell us what questions the driving examiner asked you at the beginning of the test?
They ask about the normal on the introduction of the right, left, hold the car, turn off the right, anything. It's a little bit excited, but it's good for today.
And with the car controls, what questions did they ask? The demister, hazard light, what do they
Yeah.
ask you?
They ask the normal. If you everything you teach me, they ask me. That's why I follow you. I can't know.
Okay. And did you go to highway today? It was at 110. Did you go to highway?
Today no highway, just around here.
Okay. What maneuvers did you do? The U-turn, 3.10, reverse parallel park. Which one do you do?
Just normal U-turn, 3 U-turn.
Uh-huh.
One time. Yes, 3 U-turn. Yep. For today.
So you just did U-turn?
Yeah.
I think you did something else as well. Let me see your paper.
Yep.
You reversing as well?
Reversing, yes.
Yeah, so U-turn and reversing. Okay, cool. How was the examiner instruction? Were you happy with the examiner instructions?
Yes, really happy.
Was that very clear?
Very clear. The story, turn left out the 2 box, make 2 steep, anything. Very good.
Was she using the hand gestures with the
Yes.
directions?
That's the hand that you told me before the driver test.
Okay, cool. And were you nervous during the test?
Yes, really. So excited. Almost died.
But-
This is the 3rd time for me for the driver test.
Oh, okay.
Before I didn't learn, but today I learned with you that I passed already.
No, it was your own efforts. So how did you manage to control your nerves during the test?
Just relax. Think about what we learn. Normal. Don't worry too much. Yeah.
Cool. What recommendations do you have for people who go for the test?
Just follow what you do when you learn. You don't want to worry. If you worry, you're gonna think too much what you need to do when you drive.
Exactly. Great advice. Thank you very much. Okay, cool. Thank you very much. Congratulations again, Wachiraphong, and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.